Now students, what I feel is that the most important topic in the whole chapter is the duty delta relationship and duty delta and relationship. So what I feel is that if in irrigation engineering also, if some question comes, there is a very high probability that that question will be from the this topic, that is the duty delta and relationship, right? So you must remember that duty is given by 8.64 B by D as B by delta, and you must also know delta is in meters and B is in days. B is the base period, right? And you should also know that duty is sometimes also given by area per unit discharge, and discharge is given by volume per unit time. So these are the few formulae. If you know how to implement these three formulae, you can be able to solve any numerical which comes on this topic, that is duty delta relationship, right? The next important topic which I feel is that, let me use marker as a marker, which I feel is that the irrigation requirements. This topic is still almost untouched, right? So what I feel is that this still remains a very important topic. So you must know about the gross irrigation requirement, the field irrigation requirement, the net irrigation requirement, and the end you have the consumptive irrigation requirement. So you should know the relation also, as well as if some numerical comes, you should know that it is actually equal to FIR divided by neta C, it is equal to NIR divided by neta A, it is equals to CIR plus leaching plus pre-sowing plus nursery, and CIR is actually equal to consumptive use minus effective rainfall. If rainfall is there, if no rainfall, that is equal to consumptive use, right? There can be a theoretical question also, like what is time factor, what is core period, what is base period, what is paleo irrigation. But the probability of coming a theoretical question is very less. And what are kharif crops, what is crop factor, what are rabi crops, right? These questions can also be there, but the probability is very less. The highest probability in this chapter is about the duty delta relationship, which still remains the most important topic in this chapter. So I hope that on which you have to solve more numericals, on which you have to solve less numericals, right? On which you have to focus more on, and on which you have to focus less, right? Okay. So I hope that you have understood this. Now let us move forward to another chapter. In the next chapter, we will be designing canals, right? We have the Canada's theories, the Laces theories. We also have the Shields theory, right? Shields theory is also there. We have the Blake's theory also, right? Khosala's theory, right? So we'll be discussing all these theories about the gravity dams, about the spillways, about the cross canal works also will be, cross drainage works also will be studying about. So next chapter is also very important as far as the gate point of view is concerned. Thank you. So let's meet in the next chapter. Thank you.